Creating a positive study environment starts with organizing your study space. A cluttered and disorganized study space can negatively impact your motivation and ability to focus on your studies. To create an organized study space, start by decluttering and removing any unnecessary items. Invest in storage solutions such as shelves or drawers to keep your study materials organized and easy to access. Distractions can be a major hindrance to creating a positive study environment. Identify the distractions in your study space and take steps to eliminate them. Some common distractions include social media notifications, loud noises, and visual distractions such as cluttered walls. Consider using noise-canceling headphones, turning off notifications on your phone, and clearing your study space of any unnecessary items. Creating a comfortable study environment is essential for staying motivated and focused. Ensure that your study space is well lit and has comfortable seating. Consider adding plants or other natural elements to your study space to create a calming atmosphere. You may also want to adjust the temperature to a comfortable level to avoid distractions caused by discomfort. Setting realistic goals is an important aspect of creating a positive study environment. Setting unattainable goals can lead to feelings of frustration and discouragement. Break down your study goals into smaller, achievable tasks. Celebrate your successes along the way to keep yourself motivated and on track. Finding motivation can be challenging, especially when studying for long periods of time. Identify what motivates you and use it to your advantage. Some common motivators include setting rewards for achieving goals, studying with a friend or group, or listening to music while studying. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Taking breaks is crucial for maintaining motivation and focus. Studies have shown that taking short breaks can actually improve productivity and retention of information. During your breaks, engage in activities that help you relax and recharge, such as going for a walk or practicing mindfulness exercises. Avoid activities that may distract you or cause stress. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We will catch you on the next one.